Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create day to night transition using VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create a new project on VN. We can click on this plus icon and then select new project, and then you can choose video based since we want to create video editing. And then I'm going to go to my download album. Wait guys. Okay, you can choose the video that you want to edit, and then I'm going to choose this video. For example, we can click on next to import the video, and then I'm going to split the video guys. I'm going to split it right here. Okay, split, and then I'm going to add cinematic sky video as an overlay. Click on this icon, this one, and select photos or videos. And then I'm going to add the sky, and then click on fit to fit the screen, and go to the mask menu and select the linear mask, and then I'm going to blend the sky and the original video like this. Okay, let's see. And then I'm going to add the transition. We can select the second video, the sky video, and then select motion, and you're going to choose reveal or gradient. Let's try it one by one. This one looks cool guys, but let's try the gradient. Okay, and I think I prefer with gradient. Okay, and then you can also combine it with another transition to make it more captivating and smoother. Let's play it. Yeah, I like it. You can also add filter to the second video to make it more dramatic. And wait, I'm going to choose the aesthetic filter. Okay, I'll go with this one. And let's play it again. Alright. And okay guys, that's all the way to create day to night transition video editing using VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!